coming towards me. I was like, what's happening? I sat there and I had my Keke Palmer moment. It wasn't fully a Keke Palmer moment. It was just really inspiring to see the way that some people demonstrate their artistic thoughts when it comes to clothing. You know, I was checking out like the most fashionable people. As a person who has a strong interest in fashion, everywhere I go, I'm always looking to see what people are wearing, how people are feeling in their clothing, and just how people are presenting themselves to the world around them. And so this event was no different, because there was a lot of different stuff to look at. Beautiful people, beautiful.
I don't want some people to vibe with me. Just sit down there underneath. Watch out. Hey, look at this lady right here. Oh my God, no, baby. You gonna still get wet. So come dance. This dance is called the ice cream. Look and learn. I'm gonna teach you the basic steps. Watch it. Scoop it.
At first it started off as a dance lesson with women and men, and then it ended up being a dance competition.
Ladies, they just scoop it. Come on. Let me see you do it. Come on, let's scoop it. That's a good one. Alright, now. You see, this part is entertainment. It's not music and all of that. Because we need that in our life today. Fun. That's what we're missing. That's why so much crime is happening in the world. We need love, unity. I don't care if you're black, white, Chinese, Syrian, Asian. Once we're having fun, that's all that matters. So I need different flavors.
It was just interesting, like you look at the women who were participating in the competition, and you see like their desire to win. You can see it's not more of their desire to win, but it's more of them wanting to be a part of something, them wanting to be seen, and them allowing themselves the space and the energy to move and be seen and to just have fun. And I think when you see women happy and having fun, it's like one of the best things in the world.
Strawberry, which is right here. And I need a pistachio, which is right here. Alright, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Milk, chocolate, alright. Where my reason? Oh, are you a chocolate? Oh, shoot. I don't really like chocolate ice cream, but you gotta change. Hold on. Listen, shh. I don't like chocolate ice cream, so you gotta. Vanilla, baby. Come on, baby. I take that vanilla too. Oh. I don't really like vanilla, but I like the vanilla now. Alright, so it's chocolate, rum and raisin, and it's grape nuts. You're right. Caramel. Strawberry, And you are vanilla. What you are doing? Pistachio. What the hell's wrong with you? You forgot pistachio? Huh? No, but you're first, baby. First, no, listen. I'm doing it first right now. We're doing it at the worst, yeah? Ready now? Chocolate! Ready! I'm talking right now, wine. I never know she could have wine like that. Listen. She dancing out of control. Pistachio.
There is something to be said about spaces or events that pull people together, and I think music events is one of those places where people have to drop everything. They have to drop their religion, they have to drop their political affiliations, they have to drop any biases or anything that they create, because if they don't, they won't be able to engage in the magic of the music in the moment.
Yo, listen. Strawberry baby, strawberry baby, turn it up, strawberry. What flavor are you? Vanilla. I ain't gonna give you no props. Vanilla, show me you vanilla, show me you vanilla, show me you vanilla. Take you vanilla, show me you vanilla. Alright, feel cool down now, you ready? Make it feel like you. Please make it feel like you. What's your flavor? Oh shoot, your chocolate. Huh? You got 30 seconds to show me your coffee bean. Cause you talking about, I'm coffee bean, baby. I'm classy. And you're looking at your chest. Show me your coffee bean. Break this legal war stage down and 150. Girl, just show me your coffee bean. Girl, just show me your coffee bean. Girl, just show me your coffee bean. Show me your coffee bean. Girl, just show me your coffee bean. Miss Coffee Bean, drop it. Us only. We're gonna see who win that money. You ready? What you got to say for chocolate? What you got to say for rum and rose? What you got to say for pistachio? What you got to say for caramel? Pistachio! Caramel! Alright, step it up. Strawberry! Caramel! Strawberry! I'll let me fuck up in ya. What you gotta say? Vanilla! What clouds step up vanilla? What you gotta say about coffee? Vanilla!
happy people make the world such a better place. And so it was just fun to watch.
I don't drink wine, because wine made me crazy.
Enjoying the music and it's vibing, and I can see the band on the stage and I can hear the band, but I can hear like this sound. It's a unique sound and it's coming from like the side. It's not coming from the general area of like where the band is. And I'm like, where is this music coming from? Who is playing this? And it's connecting with the music, and so I had to search for it, but then I found him, and boy, was he brilliant.
Company. You can find us at www.bignecklace.us. Please feel free to subscribe to the site. If you subscribe, you'll get a 20% off coupon and 20% off every single month. We ship for free anywhere in the United States. Within 5 to 7 business days, it'll be at your door.
All right. Look at it.
Thank you.
Let me see.